Hey, I'm here with a fun fact about the Goliath Birdeater spider. Fact, the Goliath Birdeater spider is the largest spider in the world by mass. Its legs can span nearly 12 inches. That's a little over 30 centimeters. Also, don't forget to check out our other content, where we have a ton of other awesome animal videos for you to watch. It's absolutely huge. First, we're going to talk about the size of this spider, how it got its name, and then we'll talk about what it actually eats. Imagine a spider that big crawling on you. Even though it's called the Goliath Birdeater, it rarely eats birds. There have only been a handful of recorded instances of them eating birds. I would love to see one of these in person. How about you? Would you want to see one in person, or would you be too scared? Let me know in the comments below. Instead, they much more commonly eat crickets and frogs. It's thought that they got the name Goliath Birdeater because of their huge size. When explorers first found these spiders in the 19th century, they named it after the biblical Goliath, who was a giant. And if you really want to support us, you can go to our support page. Thank you for watching. They also thought that the spider ate birds because they found them near bird carcasses. But upon further research, they realized that they were just eating the carcasses, not necessarily eating the birds alive. That's a really big leg span. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more. However, their bite can be painful, and their hair can cause irritation. If you were to get bitten by one of these spiders, it would be very similar to being bitten by a brown recluse spider. Let me know in the comments below. You would feel pain, redness, swelling, and then after some time, maybe a fever. But this is only if the venom gets into your bloodstream. They don't usually bite humans unless they feel threatened or scared. To put that in perspective, the average human hand is about 8 inches wide, so the spider's leg span is about the width of 2 hands. The body of the Goliath Birdeater spider can be about 4 to 5 inches long, so about the length of a ruler. They are typically 2 to 3 times heavier than other tarantulas. On average, they weigh about 6 ounces, or about 175 grams. That's about how heavy a sparrow is. The Goliath Birdeater spider is the heaviest spider in the world. It lives up to its name because these spiders can eat birds, but they more commonly eat crickets and frogs. In the animal kingdom, it's known as an opportunistic feeder, which means it will pretty much eat anything that moves. It can eat small reptiles, small mammals, other spiders, and even bigger insects like beetles. Goliath Birdeaters have also been observed eating the eggs of other animals. But they're not picky eaters. If it moves, or if it doesn't move, they will try to eat it. I would definitely scream. They are most commonly found in the southern parts of these countries. They live in burrows that they make themselves. These burrows have a little entrance hole and then lead into a larger chamber where the spider hangs out. These burrows help protect them from predators like anteaters and birds. And fun fact, anteaters are one of the only animals that will actively hunt Goliath Birdeater spiders. Anteaters have really long, sticky tongues that they use to slurp up insects and spiders. I would definitely freak out. Now, if you like this fact, make sure to stay tuned for more animal facts every day. So there's actually 2 parts to this fun fact. First, let's talk about its size. These giant spiders can be found in South America, in countries like Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Suriname, and Costa Rica. The Goliath Birdeater spider has a leg span of about 11.5 inches to 16 inches, so almost a foot. Now we'll talk about what it eats. The Goliath Birdeater spider is not considered to be a dangerous spider. There are no recorded instances of them killing humans. I think it's interesting that even though it's called a Goliath Birdeater, it doesn't eat birds. And another thing, since it's called a Goliath Birdeater, do you think it eats only birds? What do you think it eats? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to stay tuned for more fun facts about animals.